What if you could invest in the market without trying to pick the best stocks? No guessing, no complicated analysis, just a simple way to follow the market. In this video, I'll explain what an index fund is in the simplest way possible and why many beginners choose this approach. This is lesson number 7 in your beginner investing course, and each lesson builds step by step. My name is Jonathan. I've been investing for about 9 years, and this channel is here to help beginners learn investing the smart way. Let's start with a simple question. What is an index fund? An index fund is a type of investment that follows a group of companies. Instead of choosing individual stocks, it tracks a market index. An index is simply a list of companies grouped together. For example, some indexes include large companies from a specific market. An index fund tries to match the performance of that index. So instead of trying to beat the market, it follows the market. This approach is simple and easier to understand for beginners. So why do many beginners start here? First, simplicity. You don't need to pick individual companies. Second, diversification. You're investing in many companies at once. Third, consistency. It follows the market over time. But this doesn't mean there are no risks. The value can still go up and down. That's why many investors use index funds with a long-term mindset. Now let's compare this idea to something important. Some investors try to pick winning stocks. Others simply follow the market. Index funds are part of the follow the market approach. For beginners, this removes a lot of complexity. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. When I started, I thought I needed to pick the perfect stocks. But over time, I learned that simple strategies can be very effective. Index funds are not about shortcuts. They're about simplicity and long-term thinking. So let's quickly summarize. An index fund follows a group of companies. It tracks a market index instead of picking individual stocks. It's simple, diversified, and commonly used by beginners. Understanding index funds is a big step forward in your investing journey. If you want to keep learning, make sure to subscribe and follow the full course. Let me know in the comments, does this approach feel simpler to you? In the next lesson, we'll connect everything together and compare stocks, ETFs, and index funds. I'll see you there.